to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to get access to both the audio as well as video inside your web application. So here as you can see, I'm using Next.js, but you can use this in any framework which you want to. So all I am doing is that here you can see I'm using the video tag, and I have assigned this ref. So this ref is part of React.js or Next.js, because we get a callback once the video element has been initialized. So here you can use whatever makes sense to you, like whatever framework which you are using. So here you can see that we are using navigator.mediadevices.getUserMedia, and I'm allowing audio as well as video. Then this node itself is this video tag. So here you can see I get access to this video HTML tag once it is ready. So I'm using a node.scr object, and we apply the stream to this video tag, and on loaded metadata we start playing it. Now once I start playing it, the audio might there might be an echo, that's why I won't speak much. But here you can see once I